Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these salty caramel pretzel blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large heat-proof bowl and into it place your butter and your white chocolate and then melt them in the microwave on 20 to 30-second bursts at a time and just stir in between each burst just to incorporate any bits. You'll want to get it fully melted and combined. Then you can go ahead and add in your light brown sugar and mix this in until it's fully incorporated. You can then go ahead and add in all of your eggs, followed by the vanilla extract, and just whisk everything in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice the mixture change in consistency, and this is due to the amount of liquid that has been added. The mixture will be more fluid, but don't worry, once you add in your dry ingredients and start folding them in, you'll notice much more of a batter forms, and this is completely normal. Now this is completely optional, but feel free to add in your white chocolate chips and just fold them in until they are fully incorporated. Again, it's completely optional and you don't have to. Then you can go ahead and grab your 8-inch square cake tin, which has been lined with parchment paper, and pour in that blondie batter, and it will level itself out very well, but just give it that little gentle nudge so it's all level and consistent, which is perfect. Then on top, I like to add a bit more chocolate, because who doesn't want more chocolate with a white chocolate blondie? I just add in some white chocolate spread and some caramel or dulce de leche and just swirl that all around so you've got swirls, and you might not be able to see them on top very well, but don't worry, there'll be pockets of it inside of the blondies when you cut into them, which is always a welcome surprise. Once your blondies are baked for around half of the time, you'll want to remove them from the oven and place on top the pretzels. I'm using these little ones, but feel free to use whichever ones you can get. These are just plain sea salted ones, but again, it's up to you which ones you use. And you'll want to place 4 rows on there, so you should have around 16 in total. But you can do it in however many you want on there, or however few. Then I sprinkle over some more white chocolate chips, because why not, it's more chocolate. And then just I sprinkle over some of these glittery star decorations, but feel free to skip them out if you don't want to use them. You can then go ahead and place this into your oven, which has been preheated. I will leave all the information you will need on the blog post link down below, and then you'll want to allow them to cool completely, and I like to chill mine in the fridge for a couple of hours just to firm up, making them even fudgier. Then you can cut them up into however many portions you like. I went with 9 generous portions, but feel free to go with 8 or cutting it however you would like, it's really up to you. As you can tell, the blondie has got a selection of the chocolate chips, the pretzels and the sprinkles, and inside you can see the pockets of the white chocolate and the caramel that we swirled in along with the chocolate chips. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on those. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.